Thanks for logging on to CBSMiami.com. I'm meteorologist Liz Horton in CBS 4 Weather Control. Here is a look at Subtropical Storm Alberto. This morning you can see a lot of the clouds and the shower activity are certainly on the eastern side of that storm. And yes, we're seeing a lot of rain moving through Cuba and some showers already arriving in South Florida. That will become more and more numerous as we go through the day. Numerous heavy downpours possible and a lot of shower activity, even though the center of circulation is still expected to go up towards the central Gulf Coast. We will still be seeing those effects through the holiday weekend, unfortunately. Tropical Storm Watch has been issued there for portions of the Yucatan Peninsula, western Cuba, and up into the Gulf states, even portions of the Florida Panhandle included in that. And we don't have a Tropical Storm Watch at all here, but we certainly will be looking at the potential for flooding. Storm Surge Watch as well in effect there for portions of the Panhandle over towards Louisiana, and a flash flood watch there as well. Here we have a flood watch that will go until Sunday at 8 o'clock at night because we could have 4 to 8 inches of rain likely here. We'll show you the different breakdowns here from our models. The European model going with about 2 to 4 inches for Broward, the Miami-Dade County line. But the further south you go, 4 to 6 inches. The GFS is going a little bit more conservative, around 2 to 4 inches of rainfall total, but the NOAA rainfall potential model there is showing 4 to 6 inches possible for Broward and Miami-Dade, and even more there in the Keys, 5 to 7 inches. So just be prepared that it's certainly going to be wet. We could have some localized flooding, especially because the ground is already so saturated. For today, cloudy and humid, breezy showers, 82 degrees. There is a high risk of rip currents out there. I would not recommend going to the beach or swimming today. Not a great day for that. Small craft advisory in effect. Winds 20 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet, choppy bays. And tonight, storms are likely, 75 degrees. Heavy downpours possible, and it will be a little bit breezier as well. Your 7-day outlook showing temperatures will stay in the 80s with those passing storms continuing through next week. Certainly the heavier rain and a lot of that wind that we'll see from the effects of Alberto will continue through the weekend and even Memorial Day before finally getting a little less and less as the storm moves through the southeast and pulls away from us. You can get the latest forecast anytime here at CBSMiami.com, and we'll continue to track Alberto for you. Keep it right